So you've just purchased EVO. This is what you're going to see when you first log in. You won't see these here. These are my past projects. We've got the dashboard, which is where we are now. You can add a new project by selecting one of these. You have the AI sandbox with articles and images. You have the video tutorials, which are here. You have the EVO 4 community, which is our Facebook group here. And you have settings. In the settings, we have the Index Me Now API key, which I encourage everyone to click on this link and become a member of Index Me Now. Follow the tutorials on the video tutorial, how to get your API key. Then that means every time you submit a project, it goes into your Index Me Now account and your bucket sites will get indexed. I highly recommend this. And also we've got our support desk, which you can log into at any time, and if you need any technical support, that is the place to go. You'll need to sign up first to be able to create a support ticket, or you can send an email to support@bruteforceseo.com. Previously I said in settings about Index Me Now. That is of course unless you have your own indexing system, but this is the simplest way we get our stuff indexed, and it's generally indexed within 24 hours. Here's an example of a completed project. So this is the completed project file. These are all the links created. This is the DR of all the links, and obviously you can click on those and check them out. So now you're familiar with the inside of the dashboard. I'll go to the tutorial page and then watch Getting Started in Feb 2024 video and go from there.